Using this add-on, you can enable cost category-wise security. First of all, you need to activate this features from add-on features option. This is admin user. In company alteration, you can view cost category security. Here you can view cost category list for admin user. Now I am open with the demo user. Here you can view the cost category that is allowed for this user, others not show. Now create a sale entry from demo user. You can view cost category list for this user. Thank you for watch this video. You can call us for any information.